Have you ever wanted to do some amazing DIYs, but don't have a lot of money for it? Well, don't worry, because us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you some easy, cheap DIYs you can do for under $1. Number 1, shining jar. For this one, you'll need glow sticks, scissors, some biodegradable glitter, and a plain jar. What you'll need to do is cut the edges of the glow sticks, put them in the jar, and shake them gently, so that the glowing fluid will spray all over the inside of the jar. Add the glitter inside, close the jar, and shake it. You'll have an amazing glow-in-the-dark jar. Number 2, glitter glue. First, you'll need to mix the glue inside of the bowl with food coloring and add in the glitter as well. Once you mix them all together with the stick, you can put them into the used container of the glue stick and you'll have some amazing glitter glue. Number 3, lantern. For this one, you'll need a jar, some sea glass paint, and thread. Cover the jar in the sea glass paint and tie a thread on top so it'll look like a leash. Repeat that step. When you have multiple leashes, connect them together and interweave them. You'll have this kind of pattern. Turn it around and cut the rest of the threads so they don't protrude, and put the last on the top and secure it with hot glue. Add the shoulder strap, put candles inside, and it's absolutely beautiful. Number 4, a painting. For this one, you'll need to have some different colors of paint, some paper, and a hairdryer. Pour the paint in a way that you want. What we did is pour them on top of each other. After that, use the hairdryer to blow them around the paper, and once it's dry, you have an amazing painting. Number 5, painted jar. For this one, use a plain bowl, jar, white glue, water, and food coloring. Pour the glue in the bowl and add some food coloring and water. Mix them all together, pour them into a jar, and spill it around so it'll cover all of the inside. Bake for 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius, and if you put something inside, like us with lights and flowers, it's pretty interesting, right? Number 6, side table. For this one, grab some salad bowls, hot glue gun, a plate, and white paint in spray. Connect the first bowl to a second by turning it around and gluing it to the bottom of the other. Repeat this step until you have a statue of the height you want. Glue the plate on the top and spray it all in white, and it looks absolutely amazing. Number 7, candy wrapper bowl. For this one, you will need some plastic wrap, a bowl, some glue, and sweets wrap, such as a starburst wrapper. Firstly, cover the bowl with the plastic wrap and put some glue inside in the middle. Put the candy wrap on it and cover that with glue as well. Repeat this whole process until the whole entire plastic wrap is covered in the candy wraps. Let it dry, take it out of the bowl and the plastic wrap, trim it around, and there you go, a perfect bowl. Number 8, table. For this one, you'll need a wooden round tray, table legs, and something that'll connect the two. You can connect them by using a drill and nails if you have those around your house. After you do this, you'll be able to have an amazing table, and you can connect the second tray at the end by using a bolt and screw, and you'll have these 2 moving pieces which look absolutely amazing. Number 9, name tag. For this one, you'll need a piece of wood and some hot wire. All it will take to write whatever you want is to use the hot wire with the wood, and it will look absolutely amazing. Number 10, branch. For this one, you're going to need a branch, clippers, lights, and some string. Make the branch float by hanging it on the strings, and interweave it with lights and put some clippers on top. You can attach photos to it, and you'll have a great memory branch. Anyways, guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a single video from us in the future. And also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much as this one, and we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye now!